Hello, doers. My name is Jose Ignacio. Let's say that you sell products that you don't always keep in stock. Maybe they're expensive, customized, or just not ordered very often. In those situations, it really doesn't make sense to buy or produce them ahead of time, right? That's where replenish on order, also known as make to order or MTO for my acronym lovers, comes in. With MTO, Odoo waits until there's actual demand, like a confirmed sales order, before triggering any kind of replenishment. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how that works, how to set it up, and what it looks like in a real workflow. So, enough chit chat, let's hop right in. Before I start using MTO, I want to make sure that my database is set up correctly. So, first, I'm actually going to open our inventory application over here and go to configuration and settings. So here we're going to scroll down until we reach our warehouse section. Perfect. So here we are. I'm going to make sure that we have multi-step routes over here enabled. This allows me to use more advanced logistics rules, like triggering replenishment based on demand instead of just stock levels. Now that that's enabled, and if it happens to be your first time, also remember to save. I also see in the logistics section that the option for replenish to order over here up at the top, if we go back up, because I remember seeing it. Actually, it's down here at the bottom. Perfect. There it is. We happen to have MTO, and it's already enabled as well. Perfect. So this is what tells Odoo that certain products should only be replenished when there's actual demand, like a confirmed sales order. So now that we're ready, we're going to go configure a product. So I'm going to go to products and then products once again. All right, let's open up our neon couch. What even is a neon couch? I love that. So we keep common couches like browns and grays in stock, but for more unique or specialty colors like pink or yellow, we only want to produce or purchase them when a customer actually orders them. So let's go over to our inventory tab over here. Under routes, you'll notice I have selected replenish on order MTO. By doing this, I'm telling Odoo, don't take this from stock. Wait until there's demand. But I'm not done just yet. MTO tells Odoo when to replenish, but doesn't tell it how. So I'm going to pair with another route. In this case, we also want to make sure that we have our buy route. That means when a customer orders this couch, Odoo will automatically create a purchase order to get it from a vendor. If I wanted to manufacture it instead, I would choose manufacture right there. Now, since I selected buy over here, I will also want to make sure that I have a vendor set up. So let's hop over to our purchase tab. All right, it looks like we have it arranged to be purchased from Gemini Furniture, our vendor, for 250 per unit. Perfect. And that's it. My product is now fully configured for MTO. Now let's see how this works in a real scenario. So I'm actually going to open up our sales application over here and select new up at the top. All right, so for the customer, I'm going to select Openwood. Perfect. Then I'm going to add my product by selecting add a product below. It's that neon couch that we just talked about, and we just want one of them. Then we confirm our quotation. And as soon as I do that, Odoo automatically takes care of the next steps for me. Because this product is set to replenish on order, Odoo knows not to pull anything from stock. Instead, it triggers a replenishment specifically for this order. So I'm going to click our purchase smart button over here up at the top, which takes me right to the RFQ that Odoo has automatically created for my custom couch. You're going to notice that everything matches the sales order. The product, the quantity, the price, everything, because this purchase is directly tied to that customer demand. Now I'm going to confirm this RFQ to turn it into a purchase order. Next, I'm going to select receive, and then I'm going to validate this over there, just to validate it. At this point, the couch is now inside of my inventory because our delivery trucks are that fast. Now I'm going to use the breadcrumbs, which today is Wonder Bread, when we're going to go back to our sales order. Don't select the purchase order on accident like I might have before. Then we're going to select our delivery smart button up at the top. So from here, I'm going to validate the delivery and ship the product over to my customer. Now, it was that easy. As you can see, replenish on order is all about reacting to demand instead of just trying to predict it. It's especially useful when you don't want to tie up money in inventory or when products are made or sourced only when needed. By combining MTO with routes like buy or manufacture, Odoo handles the entire process for you, from the moment a sales order is confirmed all the way to delivery. And that's what makes it such a powerful and flexible tool. That's all for now, doers. I'll see you in the next one.